Hello everyone. I hope everyone is well. The topic of our today's video is trimmers. Beard trimmer are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the best beard trimmer from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 1. Philips Nurelco Multigroomer MG775049. Philips Nurelco tends to dominate the world of high-quality trimmers. The 7750 is smaller than the Series 3500 model listed below, and occupies a lower price range. Instead of a zoom wheel with built-in settings, it comes with multiple guards that give you various different options for lengths, along with multiple detailing blades and a foil shaver. Number 2. Nava Professional Hair Clippers for Men. This pair from Nava includes a larger electric trimmer that can handle hair and longer beards, and a good beard trimmer that's smaller and better suited for edging and other details. Both models are built with ease of use in mind, and feature a unique cross-edge handle that's easy to grip, and a display window that conveys speed and power settings. I have been using the Nava hair and beard trimmer for a month, and have been very happy with the results. The length of battery life is also impressive. Most importantly, the clippers provide a smooth and easy trim, and I like the width of the cutting blades. Pro-tested, created for all. Our Nava barber kit has been tested in some of the best barber shops around the world to do what they do best. Our barber clippers professional sets are being used worldwide to give precision cuts to the men who walk the walk. We have brought our most trusted professional cordless hair clippers to now be available to all. A level above the rest, there are many men's hair clippers to choose from, but with decades on experience in working the world's best professionals, we have designed a men's clipper that is limitless. With 6 premium guards, a variable gauge adjustable head, 4 trimmer guards and the sharpest blades on the market, your ability to create is truly without limitation. Industry-leading precision, it's all about the details. Our Nava wireless hair clipper set gives you the versatility to shape, outline and produce the most defined look in the palm of your hands. Take ownership of the way you look and feel with our premium hair cutting kit. Power through the thickest of hairs with our industry-leading clippers, and create the most precise edges with our supreme outline trimmer. Comfort meets function. Whether you're the local pro barber or your family's designated barber, our goal is to deliver the optimum experience. Our unique cross-edge handle allows you to be an artist without any strain or accidental slip page. Our ultra-high-definition LED display gives you all the information to ensure you're using the right speed, and to gauge your power levels to do your thing for a full day's work. Stealth Endurance Power. Our wireless hair clippers and trimmer for men are constructed of an all-metal onibody for a luxury look, feel and grip. The built-in lithium fast charge battery allows you to utilize the trimmer all day, and to quickly recharge within minutes. Truly take your barber skills to the another level with our Turbo 2-speed options that gives you precision and power when needed. Number 3. Wall Beard Trimmer for Men, 9864 SS. One of the best electric beard trimmers for any length of facial hair. This wall beard trimmer is smaller than the Philips and Panasonic models listed above, but packs more than enough power. As its name suggests, the rechargeable battery uses lithium-ion technology, and can last for up to 6 hours on a single charge. It comes with 12 comb attachments that are easy to affix to the main precision blades, and offer plenty of variants for beards of any length. As an added bonus, it also comes with a detachable nose hair trimmer and a separate detail trimmer, meaning this one tool can handle pretty much all of your at-home grooming needs. All-in-one beard trimmer featuring 4 different attachment heads, a wide T-blade for beards and mustache trimming, touch-ups, body grooming and detailing. The precision detailer head is for details, cleanup and complex designs. Hygienic grooming. Our rotary ear and nose trimmer head provides a hygienic grooming experience by keeping your nose and ear trimming separate, and our dual foil shaver head is best for ultra-close shaves. Months without charging. Lithium-ion 2.0 Plus technology allows for 3.5 hours of continuous runtime on a single charge for months of usage between charges. Our beard clipper features almost no loss of charge during storage. 10 individual guide combs. Stainless steel Lithium-ion 2.0 Plus allows for a wide variety of cutting lengths with included guide combs. Featuring 8 blade guide combs for haircuts from short, 1/16, to long, a half, and 210 position adjustable guide combs, providing cutting lengths between 2 mm 21 mm. Worldwide voltage with 3.5 hours of runtime. Our Lithium-ion 2.0 Plus is great for travel, vacation, business trips, and more. Worldwide voltage means you can use no matter what country you're in, 110V, 220V, or dual voltage. Perfect gift. Wall clippers, trimmers, massagers, and shavers make great Christmas gifts for women and men. Give the gift of wall this holiday season. Number 4. Sucker Beard Trimmer for Men. Sucker's beard trimming set is pretty comparable to DSP's in terms of what's included. but it's one of the most affordable beard trimmers on the market, and has more than 2,205 star reviews on Amazon, which easily earns it a spot on this list. I use this trimmer for the first time, and I am quite impressed by its performance. It trims the beard very well. It has got a great charging speed. It is very handy and lightweight, unlike my previous trimmer. I use this trimmer for the first time, and I am quite impressed by its performance. It trims the beard very well. It has got a great charging speed. It is very handy and lightweight, unlike my previous trimmer. 6-in-1 multifunctional trimmer kit. This kit comes with 6 attachments: full-size trimmer, precision trimmer, design trimmer, body trimmer, nose trimmer, micro shaver. Those can satisfy your all daily needs. Also equipped with 5 guides: COMBS 369 12mm for full-size trimmer, 1 to 3mm for precision trimmer. Can be more selective for your style cut. High-performance sharp titanium blades, ultra-sharp and skin-friendly blades, have precise gaps, are deep to the skin, more trimming and lower friction heat won't pull hair or burn skin. 100% waterproof and easy to clean, whole body washable design for wet and dry use, and easy cleaning. Blades detachable, also easy to clean by using the brush. Incidental LED display and USB fast charging. LED display indicates battery power and reminds you to charge. Symbol lock key for easy to store and carry when traveling. Built-in battery up to about 99 minutes, working continuously for using after only about 1 hour fully charged. Please feel free to contact us if you feel any problem. We will provide you satisfactory solution. Number 5. Hadar Cordless Hair Trimmer Pro. Hadar's all-in-one beard trimmer has received rave reviews on Amazon, and it's not hard to see why. A built-in dial allows you to easily adjust the length of the titanium blades on the device itself, and it comes with 8 guards that let you shave to damn near any length. Plus, one of those 8 has its own adjustable dial, letting you easily switch between lengths without needing to shuffle between guard combs. Hands down, the best hair and beard trimmer I've ever used. You won't find it better value. The Hadar is the perfect all-in-one tool for beard and hair. The 3 to 8mm dial is perfect for growing out a beard, keeping it neat and even goes to 0.5 mm settings. Ceramic titanium blade. This professional self-sharpening blade stays shaper longer and cuts all hair types. It is detachable for thorough cleaning. Powerful and durable motor. It is built to achieve maximum performance with an advanced patented motor that provides substantial power and speed without producing additional heat and noise. USB quick charge, cordless convenience. 1 powerful long-lasting rechargeable battery with a runtime of up to 2.5 hours. Cordless convenience allows use anywhere at any time. 100% waterproof. The hair trimmer is fast and easy to clean. Simply rinse the blades under running water for quick hygienic cleaning. LCD display, 1 key lock. Battery CAPACIT. White charging state of the battery is displayed in %lock symbol. Number 6. Bron Beard Detail Trimmer. Bron's BT7240 model is a high-quality beard trimmer that offers a precise cut for both long hair and shorter beards. Smaller and more efficient than other Bron trimmers, this one sports an ergonomic design that makes it easy to maneuver for precision trimming, a whopping 39 different length settings, and a nose trimmer to boot. As an added bonus, it also comes with a Gillette ProGlide razor, which those with sensitive skin might prefer when it comes time to trim your neck. Personally, I've never had a problem using an electric razors, but some readers tell me they prefer to use a manual razor and a good shaving cream to avoid skin irritation. I'm an aging professional and have never had a beard, but grew a big uniboomer beard during the COVID lockdown. This trimmer is great. Has a dial that adjusts the guard in a 0.5 mm increments, 0 to 39, so you can find the perfect length for you. The massive amount of adjustments makes it easy to blend and taper, etc. more efficient. Sharper, faster, more efficient versus all previous generations of Bron beard trimmers. Unlimited versatility, ultimate precision. Precision dial for 39 length settings in 0.5 mm step sizes for an effortless trimming experience. Built to last. Lifetime sharp metal blades for even beard trimming and hair clipping. Clean shave. Create accurate lines and edges on neck and cheek with the main beard trimmer head. Battery powered. German technology and ergonomic build, delivering 100 mins of cordless trimming on 1 hour charge. Gift. Give the gift of the perfect shave with a Bron Father's Day gift for your dad, brother, or husband. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below. Please check out this video description to find the product link.